I think we're pretty glad today's not our first day of racing, to be honest. It looks a little bit bleak out there. But yeah, tomorrow the forecast looks absolutely epic. Reasonably strong kind of sou'wester. So that'll be pretty special seeing all 13 boats reaching into this massive grandstand above us here. And we're absolutely stoked to be racing again on home waters.